Hey everyone, welcome back to CrushonCovers with me, Tracy Ann. And today I have watercolor number 50. Yay! Don't forget to check out my Redbubble store for stickers, prints, and any product that you want as gift or something that makes you happy, you like. Please and thank you. All right, today is watercolor number 50, and I just felt like doing flowers but in a different twist. So I'm trying to combine my whimsical art girls with flowers, and I just want to see how that works, and let's get right into it. So here I have this beautiful, she looks almost fairy-like. So what I did was sketched her out with my Studio brand watercolor pencil. I'm testing these out instead of using regular HB pencil, just to see how they would blend with my watercolor painting. So I definitely tried her skin tone to be a bit lighter, because normally I do darker skin tone, or it's just a bit difficult when you're doing watercolor to get skin tones perfect. So that's something I'm working on. I decided to do her pink. It's a tulip actually. And guess what? I don't think that I did exactly what I wanted, and that is because I didn't allow my paper to dry. It's key. You gotta let your paper dry. Anyhow, this is the thing with watercolor. It is so forgiving. For me, I like it because it's versatile. So any error that you think you might have made, or the project's not turning out well, is going to spoil, it ends up becoming a style for me. So I'm very flexible like that. I'm not someone who just sticks to, it's got to be as it is, or it's garbage. No, if it looks like it's going to spoil, I flow with it. So if you are a watercolorist, you got to be very flexible and move with the flow, because it's water. Got to go with the flow, right? So I added purples, and I wanted her pink because it's tulip, and I wanted to add a little bit of blue, magenta, just to make it like a little bit more vibrant. However, the blue mixed with the purple overpowered the pink. So I had to work with that. I wanted to use it as a highlight or an accent to the flower itself, but it came out a little bit stronger than expected. So I had to flow with it. So I made it purple and pink, and I added her hair to be pink, but then I'm like, let's put a little bit more of the brown in it. So what I did too for her face, I didn't overwork it, very key. And for her eyes and her mouth, I ended up using my Studio markers to just highlight her eyes, because it was so small. If I use, and I don't have the type of detailed brush to get the eyes really nice with watercolor, so I had to use the marker to just outline her eye, her mouth, and that worked pretty well for me. So I'm using different shades of green just to get some texture in the flower. I wanted it to look like a nice vintage old piece. You'll see what I mean when it's all done. And it really turned out well. So you just gotta be patient. It took me a long time to get this done, because my brushes weren't working. They weren't cooperating with me, and the paint. And I tell you, sometimes when you're working, nothing turns out really right, but don't beat yourself up over it. Just go with the flow. Take it easy. Take a break. Pause, listen to some music, do something, because it's supposed to be creative. It is an outlet, right? So take art as an outlet, not as torture or gotta get perfect. No, for me, it is something that relaxes me, my mind. I can think, and I get to be transported to another world, somewhere away from all the hassle and bustle of if you want to call it everyday life, right? And also get the chance to create something that somebody might enjoy or inspire someone. Alrighty, so I will leave you to the rest of this painting and you can go ahead and enjoy. Alright, have a good day.